Hi, my name is Selena, and I'm here to tell you about how to make flowers out of paper. Have you ever wanted to know how to make a flower out of paper? Well, if you've noticed that at weddings, flowers are very expensive, especially decorating for receptions and other things. Flowers can be up in the hundreds of dollars. I'm here to show you an arts and craft project that's really fast and easy and turns out really well out of paper. Okay, the first thing that you're going to need is tools and supplies. You'll need scissors, preferably any kind of scissors that will cut tissue paper really well. You'll need two different colors of tissue paper, preferably a color that goes with the event or the theme that you're doing. Colors that would look good on a flower, not brown or black, mostly all the colors of the rainbow. Second, you will need pipe cleaner. Remember those little pipe cleaners that you used to use in elementary school? They come in all different colors and sizes. You might want to pick green, seeing how flowers have green stems. Okay, and then I'll tell you about the steps. It's very easy and very simple. The first step is to cut the tissue paper colors into 4-inch squares. Depending on the size of the flower that you want, it depends on the size that you cut it. You could do a 12 by 12, 12 inches by 12 inches, and have a larger flower, or you could do 4 inches by 4 inches and have a smaller flower. The second step is to layer the tissue paper squares after you cut them, one at a time. For instance, I could put purple and red, and so on. The third step is to make sure they're all sized evenly and stacked evenly, and then you want to fold them like an accordion fold. Basically, an accordion fold is when you have those little paper fans and the fold goes in and out, that's the way you want to fold the paper. You fold it over, under, and that's how you fold in an accordion fold. Okay? Next, you want to take the paper and make sure that they all line up evenly. You want to make sure that they're all sized evenly, and when you fold it together, they match top to top. After you've made sure of those things, you make sure you find the center point of the paper and hold your finger there. After you found the center point of the paper and you hold your finger there, you take the pipe cleaner and tie it around the center point. In order to tie it around the center point, you carefully place the pipe cleaner on the center, loop it over the paper, and tie the end to the rest of the stem, just like you would do a loaf of bread with the twisty tie. The same way, and you twist it around until it's tight and secure. The next thing you do is pull each side of the paper so that they come up very easily and very slowly. It's easy to rip the tissue paper if you're not careful. It's very important to pull up each side very slowly. Tissue paper is very light and very delicate and can rip really easily. So start on one side, pull each side of the paper one at a time until they're all standing up, fanning out. Okay, and you want to do the same thing for the other side. You want to start by pulling one layer up at a time until you've completed each side. The next thing that you do is take the pipe cleaner, straighten it out, make sure it's a full straight line. And some people prefer to take another pipe cleaner of the same color and wrap it around the stem to make leaves. You can do this by tying the center of the pipe cleaner and making a cross with the pipe cleaners, and then folding the sides to make leaves. You would just do two little circles with the pipe cleaner. And then once you've completed that, you stand the flower up and you fan out all the sides. Make sure they're all even and round, and it's going to look full like a pom-pom. And you space out each of the tissue paper evenly, and you make sure that there's no holes and gaps. They're all fill in the same. And these flowers can be used at different arts and crafts events. It makes a really easy way to decorate when you're trying to do something that's going to be really expensive to use real flowers. These flowers are very pretty and delicate, and they actually stand out as a wow factor. People want to know how you made it, and what it took for you to put those things together. So now that I've shown you how to do a paper flower, I hope you can share with others and let them know also that it's a very easy and very simple way to create something so pretty. Thank you.